Oh my god, how much I wish I could scream at some people. Okay, so if you don't know, down here in Scotland a bunch of teens/adults have been throwing fireworks at police officers. Trick-or-treaters. Old people. I swear to God I can't go out trick-or-treating without having the fear that I'ma die that night. I used to love fireworks, but now I cry when I hear them. Earlier a car was blown up by a firework. I hate people so much, like I flinch or cry when I see a big group of teens or fireworks like these people have killed before and they have probably done it again, like it's just not okay. I'm so worried for New Year's and bonfire night. Last year I had to go to my grandma's because I was too scared. This happens outside of my school as well, like they are going of as I am typing this.